Subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.
Morning everybody. Today we are going to learn data validation in Excel. Let's show that with an example. Suppose we have a field called name. We'll have another field called gender, and there's one more field called age. So if I have named Shushant, Sanjay, Akriti, Yasmin. So these are the four names for which I need to provide appropriate gender and the age. Now Sushant, right, male, age is 23 years. Sanjay, male, 32 years. Akriti, female, 24. Yasmin, female, 28 years. Now if you see, there's a lot of redundant or incorrect way of data entry in here. So this spelling, which is the uppercase and lowercase, in this case is also uppercase, lowercase. In here somebody has written 23 years, somebody has written 32 YRS, somebody just given a numerical 24, and likewise. So there is no consistency in here. So there will be a lot of issue when it comes to data analysis. Hence, we can use data validation to ensure people don't enter incorrect values. So let's try to see as to how we can do. So of course name cannot have a data validation. We can just write the name, hoping that people write the name correctly. For gender, we will provide two options. So we will have to create a master list somewhere in our file. Let's write it in here. So gender, what are the options I want? I want male, female, and others. So these are my three list items which I will be populating under gender. For age, I'll provide age breaks 18 to 25 years, 26 to 30 years, 31 to 35 years, 36 to 40 years, and 40 plus years. So when anybody is entering data, they will see these drop downs. So just to show you as an example, I'll retain the same database. So under gender, we need to show these three options. So how do we do this? So in data validation, it cannot be any value, it is a list which we have already created. So it asks for where is your list items. So my list items are these three. Okay, so you can see these three options already here. For age, this is my list, data validation, list, and my source, these are my source. So now let's compare. Sushant, male, age 23 years, so we fall in 18 to 25 bracket. Sanjay, male, okay, so now it is not in here, we need to copy data. So I will say Control C and then copy, as you can see, copy. So Sanjay is male, so like male, 32 years, will fall under this 31 to 35. Akriti is female, 24 years, so will fall under 18 to 25. Yasmin, female, 28 years, so she will fall under age 26 to 30. So you can see how this first example data is inconsistent, whereas now data is pretty much consistent. So this is the beauty of data validation, where it will populate in advance all possible combinations of data. A user just has to select from the defined list. Okay, so that's about data validation. So let's see, data validation. If we look at nodes, how does data validation look like? It looks like a combo drop down option. For data validation, need to first create an exhaustive list of items to be populated. Whereas what I mean in this, we have already written a master list. You cannot come in here and write your own thing. It's already decided. If you try to write some XYZ thing, it will throw up an error. So you cannot do that. So you have to select from here. So if you want anything new item to come, go in here and add that item. Alright, thank you everybody. Bye.